This was Oldsmobile's most expensive car in 1962. This is the Starfire Convertible. It's full of luxury and performance. Has a big 394 motor, making 345 horsepower. Inside, this is bucket seats, but they're completely wrapped in genuine leather. Has a center console with a tachometer. The dash is full of chrome and trim. It's just beautiful. This is a cruiser. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. Look at the pictures top to bottom. That's where you find a price tag on every car along with the monthly payment as well. We also have a buy it now button. If there's ever a car you're real excited about, just hit the button, get it locked in before someone beats you to it. If you enjoyed the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a sharp looking car. Got all this unique trim on the outside, real luxurious inside. Convertible top is a real dark red too, which looks really sharp. You can see pictures of that on our website. It's a power top, of course. Got a nice padded boot. But it's a Southern car, so let's check out the body. The hood looks to be in real good shape, fits square, fender's straight, lines up real nice. Couple, little string of little tiny bubbles, 3 or 4 of them, little tiny things down there. This is all smooth. That door fits flush. Shuts real nice. Clean and smooth all around the wheel well. This is all clean. Trunk is beautiful. Got these nice little tail fins. I just noticed it's a metal flake. It's a white metal flake. The light hits it and it just came alive. All nice and clean. Clean down here, all around here, nice and smooth. Few little bubbles down here and a little crack right there. Shuts real nice. It's an older paint job, still shows really well though. This is all real nice. Door sticks out just a touch on this bottom corner, but it's all square. This is all real nice. Paint's a little bubbled right along this back edge right here. It is smooth and glossy, and like I just found out, it's a metal flake white, real pretty. The spear down the middle is real shiny. The bumper is probably original. It's straight, and the whole grille, it's all straight and shiny, but it has some wear on it. This outer piece of chrome is a little pitted. This chrome's original, a little bit worn. Now this is stainless, so that's nice and shiny. Now they put an application on here. This is like a vinyl wrap of some sort or something on the side here. This is good original. Windshield's probably original. Just faint wiper marks, a little chip here or there. Rubber's a little cracked around the vent window. Looks like there's snaps. It must have had a tonneau cover at one time that just snapped over the interior. But the trim is straight. It's not beat up. It's a long piece of trim. A little scuff right here, a little minor dent. It's a power antenna. I hear it making noise, but it's not working, so that's broken. Cool looking tail lights. I like those. And just like the front of the car, all this trim looks to be original. There's a good dent right here. Someone backed into a pole probably 30 years ago. Who knows? This side's the same. The trim is straight. It's shiny. Got a nice looking remote mirror. So it's one of those cars, inspecting it, I can nitpick it, but stand back and look at it. It's beautiful. I like the red on the hubcaps. The tri-bar hubcaps, they're in good shape. Looks like it has some nice tires. All right, let's open it up. Let's see the inside. It's a big car. I barely fit back here. So underneath the trunk lid, they did repaint the white. Jambs painted nice, weather strips replaced. Giant trunk. They did lay down some felt. They made this panel. Underneath the panel is the jack and spare. This just kind of cleans it up. It does have a CD changer and an amplifier as well. There's some speaker wires sitting there with some plugs on it. I guess they might have had a subwoofer in there at one time too. They probably took out. Door jambs are real decent. Weather strips were replaced. Now this interior is leather. That upper portion of the door panel, glove soft leather. Look at all the chrome trim. You got some custom speaker down in the lower corner. Now this is cool. You don't see anything like this today. Look at all the chrome knobs. It has a safety sentinel. You set the speed and it'll buzz. If you want to set it at 55, it'll buzz when you hit that. But look at this whole panel. I mean, it's original. There's a little fading. It can be cleaned a little better. This is a Wonder Bar radio. The power top switch. There's the power antenna switch. And look at this Starfire, the clear like 3D plastic. And then in here's a little treat for you. It's got a modern stereo. Kick panels are nice. Carpet looks new. Center console's real nice. Has the tachometer. We got power window switches. And this is a high-grade leather. And I mean, it's all leather. Even the sides of the seat. Really the best part of the car. Cushions are redone. All soft leather. Seat belts in front. There's 3 interior lights on the console, and they're all working. All leather in back. It's almost like bucket seats again. Look how they're sculpted. Nice cushioned, all leather interior. Armrests look good. This is leather up here. Steering wheel is really cool as well. There's a couple cracks in it, but just a neat steering wheel. The mirror and visors look good. When you push the parking brake, there's a red light that flashes. So yeah, 394 motor, 345 horsepower, 4-barrel carburetor. It's all stock. Valve covers, air cleaner, manifolds. It is a factory air-conditioned car. It does kick on. It looks like it was updated to the newer Freon, but it wasn't blowing cold, so it'll need some service on the air conditioning. All this is just respectable. There's a glass bottle down here. It's for the extra windshield washer fluid. Big battery has a disconnect switch. We got power steering. We got power brakes. Replaced the insulation on the bottom of the hood. So it's respectable.
Everybody, the top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. Beautiful car here, 394 cubic inch V8 under the hood. It's factory rated at 345 horsepower. Back in the day, this was Oldsmobile's most expensive car. Total luxury vehicle. This one does have a nice, clean, quiet idle to it. The exhaust has been upgraded. It does have a little rumble when you step on it. But I'm just in love. This is a genuine leather upholstery. It feels so good to sit on. Still nice and soft and supple. Awesome steering wheel too. It's so three-dimensional. So much fun to look at. Just like the speedometer here. And it's got the barrel kind of that goes across. And yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. That performs well, does everything that we want it to. It does have power steering and power brakes. It also has power windows and power seat. Power windows and power seats are working well. Air conditioning on this one too. And then the tachometer down there on the center console. Always nice to have. It also has a speed indicator, but that's not working on here. power top also. Forgot to mention that. So yeah, you can jump in this one and have a heck of a lot of fun. Come down, test drive it for yourself if you'd like to, and check out all the pictures, details, and full description at volocars.com.
Also has a power seat, and the seat works, the power windows work, of course the top works. Underneath the car is real solid. Just looks to be in good shape, maintained as needed. It does have a newer dual exhaust system. Gas tank looks new. But yeah, it does look real solid under there. So just a good old big luxury performance cruiser. You pull into a car show with this, it's just got a lot of style. Go to volocars.com. Hello, Max. That's where the salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered, how to get it financed. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Come on, Max, let's get some dinner.